वेलकम टू एनजीकॉन ऑनलाइन एकेडमी। इस लेक्चर में हम संडे टेस्ट 7 की डिस्कशन करेंगे। द फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू सेज द जनरल फार्मूला CnH2n+2 O इज़ शेयर्ड बाय। नाउ अगर कार्बन का नंबर n हो, हाइड्रोजन का नंबर H2n+2 हो, तो ये आपके पास अल्केन्स का जनरल फार्मूला है। तो अल्केन्स में एक एक्स्ट्रा ऑक्सीजन ऐड करने से या तो अल्कोहल्स बनती हैं या ईथर्स बनती हैं। तो दिस फार्मूला इज शेयर्ड बाय अल्कोहल्स एंड ईथर्स। विच इज़ नॉट अ विसिनल डायोल, सो इट हैज़ बीन टेकन फ्रॉम KPK टेक्स्ट बुक। ट्राईमिथाइलिन ग्लाइकोल इज़ नॉट अ विसिनल डायोल बिकॉज इसमें हमारे पास दोनों OH ग्रुप्स कॉर्नर वाले कार्बन्स पे आते हैं। वैसे नॉर्मली glycols are vicinal diols but not always. Least soluble alcohol in water. So as the size of alcohol increases, the size of non-polar R group also increases in proportion to the soluble OH group. तो जैसे जैसे साइज बड़ा होगा अल्कोहल की solubility डिक्रीज करेगी। So largest alcohol here is butanol, so it is least soluble. Oxygen atom of alcohol is in which state of hybridization? So alcohols structural analog हैं water के। तो जिस तरह water के अंदर this oxygen is sp3 hybridized, alcohol also has sp3 hybridized oxygen. Acidity of alcohol is exhibited in their reaction with. तो एसिडिटी हमारे पास एग्जिबिट होती है जब हमारे पास हाइड्रोजन किसी चीज़ से रिप्लेस हो जाए। सो इफ़ वी रिएक्ट अल्कोहल विथ सोडियम, सो वी गेट एन एसिड मेटल रिएक्शन। सो ये एक दूसरे के साथ एसिड मेटल रिएक्शन देंगे। सोडियम विल रिप्लेस द हाइड्रोजन एंड गिव अस सोडियम अल्कोक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन विल बी रिलीज्ड। सो A इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। Most acidic alcohol. So if we compare primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols, so primary alcohols are more acidic, followed by secondary, followed by tertiary. So as the name suggests, 1-butanol is a primary alcohol, 2-butanol is a secondary alcohol and tertiary butyl alcohol is a tertiary alcohol. So primary alcohol 1-butanol will be most acidic. An alcohol that may be formed by reaction between formic ester and Grignard's reagent is. So, Grignard's reagent के साथ formic esters हमें secondary alcohol देती हैं. So, if we react formic ester with RMgX, we get a secondary alcohol. Now let's see कि option में secondary alcohol कौन है. So, यहाँ पे 1-propanol है, it is primary. यहाँ पे सेकंड कार्बन पे अल्कोहल लगा है और सेकंड पे भी मिथाइल लगा है, सो दिस इज टर्शरी. इथानोल इज ऑल्सो प्राइमरी, सो 2-butanol इज अ सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल, सो दिस इज अ करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ऑन रिडक्शन ऑफ एन एस्टर, एसाइल ग्रुप गेट्स रिड्यूस्ड टू. सो व्हेन एवर एस्टर इज रिड्यूस्ड, वी गेट 2 alcohols. One from this acyl group and one from this alkoxide group. Now acyl group में हमेशा हमारे पास LiAlH4 से 3 हाइड्रोजन्स आएंगे, एक ऑक्सीजन के साथ और 2 कार्बन के साथ. तो acyl group will always get reduced into a primary alcohol. General order of reactivity when an electrophile attacks alcohol is. So whenever electrophile attacks an alcohol, electrophile attacks the oxygen. तो electrophile इलेक्ट्रॉन लवर है, electrophile will attack the oxygen. ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर अटैक के रिजल्ट में हमारे पास OH बॉन्ड ऑफ अल्कोहल विल गेट ब्रोकन. अल्कोहल का OH बॉन्ड ब्रेक करेगा, रिजल्ट में इंटरमीडिएट बनेगा अल्कोक्साइड. Now alkoxide is more stable in primary form, followed by secondary, followed by tertiary. So since primary alkoxide is most stable, so it is easily formed, so order of reactivity is primary, then secondary and then tertiary. Alcohol that does not undergo dehydrogenation. So keep in mind that you need to know the difference between dehydration, which is removal of water, and dehydrogenation, which is removal of hydrogen, which basically means oxidation. So normally हमारे पास tertiary alcohols are not oxidized due to absence of alpha hydrogen. So this is 2-methyl 2-butanol. जिस अल्कोहल में आपके पास जिस कार्बन पे फंक्शनल ग्रुप हो उसी कार्बन पे आपका सब्सटीट्यूएंट हो, दैट इज़ अ tertiary alcohol. So it does not undergo dehydrogenation. True comparison between alcohols and thiols. Alcohols are more acidic. This is wrong. Thiols are more acidic compounds. Thiols are better nucleophile. This is correct because thiols have greater size and alcohols have smaller size. So it is easier for greater size molecules to donate electrons compared to smaller size. Therefore, thiols are better nucleophiles. Benzene 1,3-diol is also called. So in benzene 1,3-diol, one OH group is present here and the other is present at the third carbon. So this compound is called resorcinol. Carbon-oxygen bond length is shorter in phenol than alcohols because. So the first reason for carbon-oxygen bond in phenols to be shorter is that in phenol the carbon is attached to the benzene ring. So this carbon is basically sp2 hybridized, while in alcohol the carbon that is attached to oxygen is sp3 hybridized. Next, due to resonance in phenol, the electrons get delocalized over the benzene ring, making a partial double bond character in the carbon-oxygen bond. तो इन दोनों वजहों से हमारे पास फिनोल की बॉन्ड लेंथ छोटी है. So carbon of phenols is sp2 hybridized. This is one of the reasons, so it is correct option. pKa value is lowest for. pKa is lowest for that substance which is most acidic. So most acidic are carboxylic acids, followed by phenols, then alcohols, then water. Nucleophilic substitution for preparation of phenol occurs in. So when we use Dawes method, in Dawes method we take chlorobenzene and chlorobenzene has to be substituted by nucleophilic OH. So this is a type of aromatic nucleophilic substitution. So C is the correct option. White precipitate is formed when phenol is reacted with. So whenever we take phenol, we react it with bromine in excess form. So bromine will substitute all the three positions that are available, namely ortho and para. So bromine ortho और para positions पर एक साथ आ जाएगी and it gives us 2,4,6 tribromophenol, which is basically a white precipitate. So white precipitate is formed with excess bromine. Reactions of aldehydes and ketones are reversible because. So in generally most of the aldehydes and ketones, the pi bond of carbonyl group is more stable than the sigma bond. So अब अगर हम इस pi bond को react करवाएंगे, इसके ऊपर addition कराएंगे, तो ऑक्सीजन के साथ हाइड्रोजन आ जाएगा, कार्बन के साथ न्यूक्लियोफाइल आ जाएगा. तो एडिशन तो हो जाएगी, लेकिन ड्यू टू स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस पाई बॉन्ड in comparison to sigma bond, these reactions are easily reversible. So A is the correct option. This carbonyl group is basically resonance stabilized and it is believed to be a resonance of two structures. First is polar covalent and second is full ionic. Base catalyzes the nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehydes and ketones by. सो अल्डिहाइड्स एंड कीटोन्स में बेस बेसिकली करती क्या है, तो बेस कैटलिस्ट आके हमारे रिएजेंट के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा और हमारे पास बेस कैटलिस्ट रिएजेंट के अंदर से हाइड्रोजन को ले जाएगा, तो न्यूक्लियोफाइल सेपरेट हो जाएगा. तो बेस हमें न्यूक्लियोफाइल को सेपरेट करके एक स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूक्लियोफाइल जनरेट करके देती है. Hydrolysis of acetaldehyde cyanohydrin gives. So this is acetaldehyde, and if it gets converted into cyanohydrin, so this is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. इसकी जब भी हम हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे तो दिस साइनाइड ग्रुप विल गेट हाइड्रोलाइज्ड, और जब ये साइनाइड ग्रुप हाइड्रोलाइज हो जाएगा इट विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. Now this carboxylic acid is basically a 3-carbon propanoic acid with hydroxyl group on alpha carbon. So this is alpha hydroxypropanoic acid, commonly called lactic acid. Select the test for which is used for the estimation of glucose in blood and urine. So this has been taken from table of the book. So Fehling is the correct option. Geminal diol is formed by addition of aldehydes and ketones too. So if we take aldehyde or a ketone एंड इसमें अगर हम वाटर को ऐड करें इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ आइदर एसिड और बेस कैटलिस्ट, बिकॉज इट कैन बी कैटलाइज्ड बाय बोथ, तो ऑक्सीजन टेक्स द हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन टेक्स द OH group. So we get a diol in which both the OH are on the same carbon, so we get a geminal diol. So it is formed by addition of water to aldehydes and ketones. Oxidation of 2-hexanone gives. So let's draw 2-hexanone. So carbonyl on second carbon and total 6 carbons. So the smaller group will take the carbonyl and the larger group will go away. So ये हमें 2 कार्बन वाला एसिटिक एसिड देगी और ये हमें 4 कार्बन वाला ब्यूटायरिक एसिड देगी ऑक्सीडेशन पे. बट कीप इन माइंड दैट दिस प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ टेकन, जिसमें कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप साथ जाता है, ये मेजर प्रोडक्ट होगा. सो ए इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. रिडक्शन ऑफ कीटोन कैन गिव. So aldehydes reduce to give primary alcohols, ketones reduce to give a secondary alcohol. So 1-propanol is primary, 2-pentanol is secondary, so B is the correct option. Oximes are product of addition of dash to aldehydes or ketones. So if we add hydroxylamine, which is NH2OH, to aldehyde or ketone, a condensation reaction takes place in which the water molecule is removed and this carbon joins through double bond with N and then OH. So this product is called oxime. So oxime is produced by addition of hydroxylamine to aldehydes and ketones. Addition of hydrazine to aldehydes and ketones serves as the first step of. So hydrazine is basically added to reduce aldehyde or ketone into alkane, but this reaction is also called Wolff-Kishner's reduction. So this is called Wolff-Kishner's reduction. So this is the first step of that reaction. Brick red precipitate in Fehling's test is formed due to formation of. So Fehling's solution basically contains copper in +2 form, so its color is blue. So whenever it reacts with aldehyde, aldehyde reduces this copper into copper oxide. So this cuprous oxide has copper in +1 form, so this +1 is brick red in color. So B is the correct option. Which of the given substances give positive Fehling's test? So Fehling's test is given by aldehydes only. Tollin's test is given by, so Tollin's test is given by those compounds which contain this group, which is called formyl group. So formyl group is present in formic acid, so it gives this test. Aldehydes also have formyl as their functional group, so they also give this test. Aromatic aldehydes also possess this group, so they also give this test. So it is given by all of these. True about iodoform test. Iodoform test is given by ethanol and 2 alcohols. This is correct. Among alcohols, it can It is given by ethanol and two alcohols. Distinguishes acetaldehyde from acetone. This is wrong. Both of them give this test. End product is red PPT. It is yellow PPT. So A is the correct option. Aldehydes can give position isomerism in which form? So aldehydes show position isomerism when aldehyde is in aromatic form and we have two formyl groups. So such aldehydes are called aromatic dicarb aldehydes. When a nucleophile attacks an aldehyde or ketone, the carbonyl carbon changes its hybridization from. So whenever a nucleophile will attack this carbon, nucleophile will get attached to this carbon like this, and this oxygen will turn negative. So hybridization changes from sp2 to sp3. So B is the correct option. Ketones are less reactive than aldehydes due to. So first reason for ketones being less reactive is that here we have two R groups which provide a greater hindrance to the nucleophile. So this is correct option. Next, due to inductive effect of two R groups, they donate electrons to carbon atom and decrease its partial positive charge. So it is difficult for nucleophile to attack a less positive carbon. So its carbon is also less electrophilic. So both are correct options. Primary amines add to aldehydes and ketones to give a condensation product. So whenever aldehydes and ketones add primary amine on them, water is lost as a result and we get a product which is called imine. So C is the correct option. Which is not a bioorganic substance? So water is not bioorganic, rest are bioorganic substances. Carbohydrates are chemically polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones. So B is the correct option. Triose sugar among these. So dihydroxyacetone is one of the examples of triose sugars. Which disaccharide gives similar monosaccharides on hydrolysis? So maltose is a disaccharide which gives 2-glucose on hydrolysis. All of the following are true in case of carboxylic acids except they are polar molecules, true. They form hydrogen bonds, true. They are stronger than mineral acids, this is wrong. They are weaker than mineral acids. Prosthetic group or cofactor is found in. So this is basically found in proteins which are called compound proteins. Hydrolysis of simple or conjugated proteins by acids or enzymes give. So they give secondary derived protein. This is taken from textbook. Many individual subunits joined in hemoglobin molecule are example of which structure? So when many different tertiary structures join together and give us a large protein, this is called quaternary structure. Proteins acting as carrier of chemically transmitted information are called. So these are usually used by insects for transmitting information and they are called pheromones. Enzyme that hydrolyzes first peptide bond at the carboxyl end of protein is called. So such enzyme is called carboxypeptidase. It has been taken from textbook tidbit. The characteristic reactions of carboxylic acids are, so in carboxylic acids the major reactions are those in which this OH is replaced by some other nucleophile. So nucleophilic substitutions are their characteristic reactions. Double ring base present in DNA is. So in DNA, purine bases are double ring bases which include adenine and guanine. Methanethiol and ethanethiol is added to natural gas. So methanethiol and ethanethiol are added to detect the gas leakage by smell. Propane dioic acid is also commonly known as. So this is a 3-carbon acid. So this is propane dioic acid. It is commonly called malonic acid. Methyl cyanide is the name given to. So this is methyl and this is cyanide. We also called it ethane nitrile. So it is also called ethane nitrile. Functional group isomer of acetic acid is. So it is a 2-carbon acid, and functional group isomers of carboxylic acids are esters. So let's find 2-carbon ester. Methyl for 1 carbon, acetate for 2 carbons, it is 3-carbon ester. Ethyl for 2 carbons, acetate for 2 carbons, it is 4-carbon ester. Methyl for 1 carbon, formate for 1 carbon, it is 2-carbon ester. So this is the correct option. True about structure of carboxylate group. So if we see the structure of carboxylate group, this is the carboxylate group. Now the carbon oxygen bond length is longer than alcohols. This is wrong. This bond length is shorter than alcohols because this carbon is sp2 hybridized. Carbonyl carbon and oxygen are sp2 while hydroxyl oxygen is sp3. This is also wrong. Both the oxygens and the carbon are sp2, so that delocalization is possible. Carbonyl carbon and both oxygen are sp2, so this is the correct option. True about the acidity of carboxylic acids. They are less acidic than phenol. Wrong. Acidity is increased by electron withdrawing group. This is correct. Whenever in organic chemistry we see acidity, so keep in mind D for donating groups and D for decrease acidity, and opposite to that the withdrawing groups increase the acidity of acids. Carboxylic acids are passed through which catalyst to form anhydrides? So they are passed through P4O10, which is a dimer of P2O5. It is a very strong dehydrating agent. Decarboxylation of sodium propionate. So this is sodium propionate. Its decarboxylation removes one of the carbons and we get a 2-carbon alkane, which is ethane. Most reactive derivatives of carboxylic acids are, so the order of reactivity is acyl halides because their nucleophile is weakest and easily replaceable. Then we have anhydrides. Then we have esters, and then we have amides. So amides have the strongest nucleophile, so it is most difficult to replace, therefore they are least reactive. So halides are most reactive. So that's all for this test. Thank you.